on, let's go. So we've got two contestants today, and they are?
Pastor T and Shamikal.
All right, so are we ready for Pastor T?
Yeah.
So let's roll it out.
Yeah, I'm Pastor T. Lord, I need your blessing to guide me all the way. I need your blessing every day I pray. I need you to strengthen me. I need you to guide me all the way. We are faced with many problems in this world every day. Only you can solve them when we live by your word. Please hear my prayer.
All right.
Pastor T, are you Pastor?
Yeah.
Nice. 4.
4.
Yes.
I said, Pastor T, you look like soft man.
Who said that? You said that. But you them say you too sure.
It's pronounced Shamikal, sir?
Yeah, Jamaica.
Well, here is Shamikal.
Yeah, ready. This squad, JVI, is just a view from the ghetto, so see it from our side. Every day in our life, and if a man plant corn, then you can't want peace. Help bring in the guns, so you can't want peace. Get to you, Billy Cake, and we can't get peace. And if a man take it, them call man thief. Them kill Maria Dean for a palm of trees. And if you run taxi, car can seize frustration. Make you gone past streets on the system. Claim say a dance, I'll do it, help please. Do job, love James man full of, so we out on the grind. I work for the mullah, J bad man do a find the formula, have to work for the goal. Just like mullah, and remember, not win a love like life. Believe in yourself, you must might rise. What you think, man out now the road white line. Might be consequence, me have to survive.
Shamikal.
No, sorry, Craft, you gotta do this one, yeah. Me can't do it. If I ask the crew to break the tie.
4 again?
Yeah.
Shamikal
Crew
or
time.
Pastor T. What do you say?
Harrow, vote. Pastor T, of course. All right, Thorpe, vote. Pastor. Wale, Pastor. All right, Pastor. It's all you. Ferron,
Yeah,
Pastor. All right, Pastor T. You're in to take home.